This 2024 Forest River Aurora 16 RBX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in San Antonio, Texas, 78227 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV San Antonio. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 19 feet 0 inches in length and features a designer latte interior, sleeps 2, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy bed, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.